Hi there, welcome back to another video. So we're going to be doing a tier list today for the Nintendo Direct reaction. Of course it says E3, which we also didn't get this year. Which I think it said, I misread it, but considering that our next one's gonna be big, I thought, hey, we should do it. At least that's my reason of doing it. Okay, actually move that around, and I'm going to change some of these. I'm gonna keep the follow the chair one because that's funny, but I'm gonna switch some of these around to make it more clear. So see you then. Alright, I got them right here. We'll make my decades. I'll make you follow my chair in a very good way. I will be pleased. And I changed the last two to meh and not for me. Of course, make my decade will be the best. I'll let me follow my chair will be pretty good, but won't be the best. This one will be more like a C tier, you know. A. Well, my decade will be A. Orange will be B. This will be C. Then man will be my D tier. Like, I'd be happy, but there can be other choices. And not for me would be. I don't really want to say any games will be bad. And lots of times when I react to like directs and stuff, I usually get happy later on. So I'm not gonna say any are bad. I'm just gonna say not for me. Ice climbers. So I first got introduced to Ice Climber through the game, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, and I didn't like playing them. I also played on the NSO. I also really like it when Smash Bros. makes older, less popular titles more relevant in modern day. You know, like we got more Game & Watches after we got Game & Watch, and we got Kid Icarus Uprising after we got Pit and Ball. So yeah. So for Ice Climber, I'm going to put it in my I'll put May here because that's just what feels right. Okay, Luigi's Mansion. I've never personally played the game, but I have seen it and watched the whole video comparing the original to the 3DS remake. Or port, really. I think I've seen other videos, so I think us getting a new one, I'll just put it in, please, because I definitely would be happy about it, but, we already got Luigi's Mansion free. Also, I do agree that what some people say that Luigi's Mansion on 3DS should have been on Switch, so, yeah, sorry about that, but it's going in that one. Pikmin, this would go in not for me, mainly because I played Pikmin 3. I think I played the demo on Wii U, and, it just wasn't for me. Which is obviously why it's in that category. I also looked ahead on the list, and I think we might need to add a new one, if I can do that. I can figure out how to do a new well. So, I'll see you then, maybe. Alright, I've added in a new row called Already Happened because some of these have already happened. And yeah. So, let's get on to it. 1-2 switch. For at least a while, there's been a rumor that we will be getting a sequel to 1-2 switch. Of course, it's just a rumor, but I kind of would be happy about it because, you know, I was a fan of the original. So I'll put it in meh because I feel like lots of people would hate it. Although I wouldn't be too displeased if we got it. I also edited this one. I might edit it again because it's a little confusing to me now. I don't know why I said it like that. Sounded weird, but pile wings, eh. I'll put in man because I did watch a video about the history of it, and there is that item in Smash Bros, which, as you already know, I'm a big fan of. I only think it'll be the game for me. Like, I'll probably be excited and maybe it'll be above here, maybe, but I don't know how too excited I'll be long term about it. Tamagotchi Life. I don't know much about it, but from what I've heard, it honestly sounds really good. Yeah, so we'll put it in We'll Make My Decade. And we're also gonna say that this will be the Switch port, you know. So this will be a port for Switch, which I think would be really cool because the game deserves more representation. Alright, Wario Land. Of course, say this is a new one, and I don't really know much about Wario Land, so I'm just gonna put not for me for now. Yes, I don't really know much about it, but yeah. This one's another confusing one. So for this one, we're just gonna say this is Wii. I was gonna say this is Wii NOS. I was thinking maybe Wii games, but how would it be for the NOS? Actually, move those around. I think they're in good order right now, but I'll probably put will make me fall my chair in a good way. Mainly due to the fact that I played so many Wii games. You know, like for the N64, I haven't really played. I don't think I've ever really played an N64 game. My family owns a broken one, which can only play Toy Story 2. But I don't think I ever played that one. So yeah, I have more fond memories of the Wii. And I would be excited for it, but This is another one that might change because I definitely would be happy, and I am kind of hoping for it, along with a new Ice Climber game. But yeah, so I'm going to where is it? Super Mario 3D. That's the wrong one. Here's a teaser of stuff that will happen. I don't see it, but that is. This already happened, so we're going to put it to the already happened category, just to get out of the way. Okay, Yoshi's Island. It's another game I don't really care for that much, so I'll just put it in not for me. Granted, I think it's a good game, and from what I saw, it looks fun, just not really for me. Can I snowboard? I don't really know much about the game, so I'm just gonna put it in here for now. Metroid Prime. So, for this video, we're just gonna say this will be the rumored HD remakes of Metroid Prime. Considering we're already getting 4. I also don't want to say it's 4 because, I honestly would be excited for it. So I kind of am hoping that rumor about them canceling it to make a Donkey Kong game is kind of true. Or maybe even the Odyssey team, because that would also be cool, but for the HD collection remake, whatever. I was gonna say the collection, not like the first one, but yeah. I definitely would be excited, because I made so many videos about it. Granted, I got stuck in the original Metroid Prime, but when I bought the Trilogy Collection for Wii U. But, you know, considering I've made some weird choices, I think this would be cool. And maybe I'll buy this one too and try and get better at the game. Alright, on to our next one. Alright, so next one will be a new Sin and Punishment game, considering we already got the one on N64. So yeah, Sin and Punishment. I played it and, from what I played in so far, it's pretty good. I'll say I would be pleased / kinda good. Again, I might have to change that soon. Actually, I think I might change it right now, so give me a sec. I changed it to still pretty good because, well, not as good as these, they still would be pretty good. Alright, so for this one's a little bit cut off, unlike that one. So we're just gonna say it'll be a new 3D game, like Super Mario 3D. How we know? We can't say world or land. My idea, so I had to go do something, but my idea would be 3D Island, maybe? Well, we want to know Untitled, for me at least, but how do I feel about a new 3D game? I'd say I'd be pleased / pretty good because, yeah, I think it goes here. Mainly because I think I'd be happy about us getting a new 3D Mario game, but, if it's more like Odyssey, like how they did something similar to, it was a little bit like, it was like Odyssey, like how they made Bowser's Fury different, then yeah, I think I would be maybe excited for it, but I think we should do something new, which we also got with Odyssey. I'm hoping we'll get a new Mario game, even if people don't think we'll get it in this direct, because it's not E3. Animal Crossing already happened. Considering we got New Horizon, and considering it's selling well, I don't think it would be right for us to get a new one. Considering they haven't done Mario Kart, which I think is on here, maybe? No. Well, not for what I see, but, yeah. Balloon Fights. Now, I haven't really played the game, but I have, however, played that game in Nintendo Land. So, yeah, a little bit biased maybe, but I'm going to do this category. Because I really love that game. So, it'll be cool. Gonna move that a little bit along. And move this up here. But yeah. So next will be Kid Icarus. Again, I was literally just talking about this some time ago. About... We'll pre-fall into this one. Give me a second, so... I've also played it on the NSO, and well, if we get a new one, it'll probably be a sequel to Uprising, which... Yeah, it just has to go up here, because... I haven't played Uprising, although I've wanted to ever since I got a 3DS. So yeah, it has to go up there, and... F-Zero. I played the original, though, and considering how popular it is with Captain Falcon in Smash Bros., I think it has to go, I think it has to go up there. Okay, Custom Robo is something I only know about, so... Yeah, going in there. Chihuahua is something I also only know, but... I'll put it in there because Zip Flash wasn't really the best one, and it was sad Nintendo pretty much, I guess, gambled the series. I don't know how to tell them, but they're like, if you don't buy this game, we won't make any more. Which I think is sad that they're just gonna make a new Chibi Robo game, but it's different, so no one will want it. Plus, but like Scott Dewa says, Nintendo has so many platformers, so when they make one for Chibi Robo, it probably won't do as well because people want to get different games. Side bike. I'll just do this one to get out of the way. I never really played it, so I'll just keep it here. And Splatoon, we're already getting that one, so I'm gonna put it in the already happened category. I actually put Animal Crossing in that one. I'm gonna put it above because I'm more of a fan of Splatoon. Donkey Kong. I literally just made a video where I talked about how he needs more love modernly, so how would I be if I didn't put him in the top row? Golden Sun, game I never really played, but considering how big Isaac was, yeah, he has to be in this. I'm gonna be so happy if we got a new Golden Sun game. Oh heck, even if we just got what they're doing for Advance Wars, which is already up here somewhere. Yeah, it's right there. So I'm gonna put this one in the already happened category. Of course, I might change this. I think I will. So give me another second. I changed it to /announced since Splatoon has been announced. Yeah, it'll be a personal ranking. Again, again, because I really want Advance Wars 1+2 Reboot can come out. But yeah, so some other ones I saw, Mario Kart, we already have, and consume. We already have 8 Deluxe, which I mean, it's unlikely to do one since they're pushing DLC. Of course, I want 9, kind of, and for Metroid, we only got Dread, so yeah. For Mario, yeah, I think this one has to be in top. I only put this one here because, like I said earlier, I wanted a Mario game, a new one. And I much prefer us to get I much prefer us to get a new one that's not based off of like 3D series. Cut again. Fin with the other ones, this should also be one that should be in top. Because, you know, I'm a big fan of I like the original, and like I said, some series deserve more love, normally, so yeah.